Welcome to E.L.F. Rocks and Minerals. This is part of our year-long theme on Earth and Sky. So this is Center 3. It's called Rock Riddles, and it's kind of a way to help our kids understand the difference between the three types of rocks that we have. Igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. So you can go through these things with them really quickly. Again, you only have 15 minutes, so you don't have a whole lot of time, but you can definitely go through what the types of rocks are and a rock cycle diagram. There's a bunch of them in Center 4. If you talk kindly to that volunteer, maybe they'll let you take a peek. Depending on what center rotation you are, the kids will have had a lot of exposure to some testing for rocks and what that looks like. For this center, we're going to go through these bins of rocks. There's 19 rocks in each one. We have 6 of them, so hopefully that's enough per kid. If not, then we'll have to do get the kids in groups. They have these little numbers on. All these rocks are on loan from the School of Mines Geology Museum, so make sure the kids aren't picking on those and otherwise breaking the rocks or anything to damage them. Also, please make sure you get each crate back together as it is assembled for you. So 19 rocks in each one. So you'll start with this description of the rock cycle and the rocks, and then we're going to try to identify the rocks. So we have 3 other sheets, igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. And these are some of the rocks that are in there. I don't know if all of them are in there, I didn't count them out. But we also have these rock riddles. So this is what we're going to hand out to each child, and they're going to look through the rocks. Find a rock that feels like sandpaper, or find a striped rock, and they're going to try to identify the rocks with just these clues. Lucky for you, we have a key. So you can help the kids kind of find and direct them to find what the rocks are. Many of these rocks, hopefully they've heard of: quartz, sandstone, marble. I think there's marble in there. But you get to talk a little bit more about each rock. One of the fun tests we have too is talking about a rock with density. It's going to say, I think it's going to say find a lightweight rock or something like, oh, find a rock that floats. So we have a little container in here. You can put water in there. Grab yourself a good pile of paper towels and let the kids explore that. I can't remember what the penny's in here for, but we have pennies in here so that they can do, find a smooth layered rock that can be scratched with a penny. So you'll have to figure out what that is. It's shale. I'm just telling you because I have the key. I'm not a geologist. Anyways, so you have these rock riddles, and the kids are just going to go through. It's very, very self-explanatory, easy center, and you're just going to help them identify rocks from a bigger tub than we have in Center 1 and 2. It's just have 6 or 7 minerals. These are actual rocks that are made up of minerals, so different kinds. There's hand lenses in here too. I'm sorry. What are these things called? Oh, magnifying glasses. We have hand lenses in Center 1. If anything is broken or missing, please let us know at mitchellelf@gmail.com, and enjoy Center 3.